When a dog, was he backing up?
Yeah, he backed up and went like that.
When they start to back up, go with them. And try to reposition them. Well, this time it wasn't their fault. This time it was the neighbor up the street. Come on, Chuma. Wow, that's no longer his dog. The neighbor adopted him from me. Except he turned him loose and left his gates open until he was running around. So he's my dog back again now. Repossessing one of my dogs is not what I had in mind to start the day.
Just go to sleep.
I just repossessed Chuma from the neighbor. Can you get a blanket and put it in the little house in here? A little bucket of water? My neighbor, young guy, begged me to get a dog. Beg. So I finally gave it and let him take this dog. I should have went with my gut feeling. But I tried to give, sometimes people don't benefit in the doubt. He lived next door. It's like, how much damage could it cause? Here's the answer. Loose dog, open gate, collar and tag on. Start for a year out. Come, Turbo. This is not what I need right now. With having about 200 dogs, our adoptions are pretty good, but I get in about 20 calls a day to take dogs. And with the lack of manpower, we barely get by taking care of what we have.
I was incarcerated for a second-degree robbery. They taught me a lesson.